Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to extend video in Kling AI. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to extend a video in Kling AI, you have to follow these steps. First, make sure you are signed into your Kling AI account and that you have an active subscription if the extend feature requires one. Once you are on the main dashboard, click on the assets section. Here you will find all of your uploaded and generated videos. Next, locate the video that you want to extend and select it. It is recommended to choose the most finalized version of your clip so that the extension matches the existing style, lighting, and motion as closely as possible. After that, click on the edit option to open the video in the editor. Once the editor opens, look for the settings section at the bottom of the screen where you can adjust options such as resolution and video duration. Now, click on the duration settings and choose the amount of time you want to add to the video. For example, you can select 5 seconds if you want a short and smooth extension. Shorter extensions often provide better continuity and more natural results. Once you have selected the desired settings, click on the Generate button. Kling AI will begin processing the extension and create additional footage that continues from the end of your existing clip. After the generation process is complete, the extended version of your video will appear in the same project or assets library. You can then preview the result, make further edits if needed, and download or share the completed video, and that's it. This is how you can extend video in Kling AI. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.